So we've got some of the weirdest AI inventions coming out lately, huh? I mean, the AI that brews beer. That's one way to make sure your drink is perfect every time.
Oh, definitely. Intelligent X Brewing Company has this robot bartender who tweaks the beer recipe based on feedback from a chatbot. Imagine a robot asking you, how much did this IPA remind you of your ex? It's like AI just wants to understand your soul while getting your drink right.
Yeah, it's crazy. And it's not even just about the beer, it's about the whole experience, right? Like this AI actually listens to your opinion. It's the future of personalized beer. But we have to talk about that AI written Harry Potter fan fiction. Have you read it?
Oh, I have. Harry Potter and the Portrait of What Looked Like a Large Pile of Ash. It's a masterpiece of chaos, like Harry looked around and then fell down the stairs for the rest of the summer. That's something only a neural net could dream up, right? No human would even attempt that.
Exactly. It's hilarious because it's so nonsensical, but that's what makes it brilliant. AI is taking creative risks we wouldn't dare to. It's kind of like the AI version of an improv show, but way more confusing.
Speaking of confusion, did you hear about that AI that mistook a cat for guacamole? It's not just weird, it's a reminder that AI isn't perfect. We're seeing these incredible innovations, but sometimes they just mess up in the funniest ways.
Yeah, MIT tricked the system into thinking a cat was guacamole. Honestly, it's a bit terrifying and hilarious at the same time. It's like AI's way of saying, I get the concept, but not quite. I'm just wondering, when is it going to mistake my coffee mug for a rabbit or something?
If AI is going to judge beauty, though, we might be in trouble. Have you seen the Miss AI pageant, Digital Beauty Queens? That's a whole other level of weird. It's like, okay, now we've got AI-generated women competing for the crown.
Ugh, don't even get me started on that. On the one hand, it's futuristic, but on the other hand, it raises so many questions about body image and representation. It's a total Black Mirror moment, but with Instagram influencers.
Honestly, AI is showing us what it can do, but it's also showing us what we need to fix about ourselves. It's kind of like this mix of fun and fear. It's entertaining, but also a bit of a reality check, you know?
Totally. And it makes me wonder, are we creating these things for fun, or are we building the future one weird robot at a time? Like, I can totally see an AI-powered dog walker that stops at taco trucks. That would be the most distracted but awesome walk ever.
Honestly, at this point, nothing would surprise me. Who knows? Maybe soon we'll have a robot that writes our wedding vows in the style of Shakespeare. I'd pay for that just for the laughs.
The line between useful and ridiculous is seriously blurring. And that's the best part. We're in this moment where AI can be both super helpful and absolutely hilarious. It's like technology is starting to get its own sense of humor.
And that's what we love about it. AI might be coming for our jobs and our beer, but at least it's keeping us entertained while it does. The future is weird, wonderful, and a little wacky, and we wouldn't have it any other way.